today. I know it's probably late for some people, but Aerodrome Finance, $1.43 at the time of this video. I think we're seeing a lot of people get scared. And I mean, not that people should be scared or anything like that, but I think we're starting to see people, they got in too late, or they got in at a price and they're obviously their portfolio's down when many people are actually up quite a bit. If you zoom out on the chart, last month up 167%, and again over the last year up 1400%, right? It was literally less than a month ago, you guys. We're at the end of the month. If we go back to February, end of February, Aerodrome was trading at 29 cents. 29-30 cent range, and jumped up, right? Obviously, where a ton of people got in and they got their position very close to $2, past $2, and then now we're seeing it go down a little bit. If you go look at the last 7 days, it's been declining in price, and obviously over the last day it's been declining in price. But if you zoom out, right, people have made a ton of money, and I think people that got in too late and they're seeing their portfolio in the red, or their position in the red on this on Aerodrome, they're spreading FUD. And I definitely think this is just a common pattern. It just is what it is in the crypto space as a whole. But I just wanted to make this video to touch on a couple points actually. So you can see here, this is a tweet here. First, $1 billion DEX volume on a day for Base. Okay, this tweet put out yesterday by Jesse Pollack. I think he's a contributor for Base. Base is a chain overall. Yeah, Base contributor 0.01001. Right, so $1 billion in DEX volume on Base. Okay, Aerodrome official Twitter replies to this tweet with the airplane. Okay, we go to this tweet here by Aerodrome. In case you missed it, a record-breaking epoch, whatever you guys want to call it. Aerodrome had a supersonic week in terms of voting rewards, fees plus incentives, totaling 5 million for the VE Aero voters, 402 million in volume, etc., setting new records in both amounts. I think what a lot of people aren't realizing, or maybe they are, but they're not really putting it to the forefront of their brain, is that it's still very early on for Base. Okay, Coinbase is is incubated by Coinbase. CB Ventures, which is Coinbase Ventures, invested $100 million into Aerodrome. Right, we've talked about it. It's obviously the narrative for a lot of people that are even interested in Aerodrome Finance from the beginning. Okay, so when we talk about Base, right, as a chain itself, right, just based on its own, it's still very early on. Okay, build on Base, you will be rewarded, right? Awesome surprise by Base, etc. Just stuff that doesn't really matter here. But we look at this tweet from Jesse Pollack, and obviously he is a contributor on Base, so he's going to be bullish on Base, right? He's going to put things out in the open that create bullish sentiment towards Base. But we look at this here. I saw the tweet earlier. It was something about we're still early. Oh yeah, PSA, we are just getting started, right? So that definitely 100% goes towards the sentiment of Aerodrome Finance and where they are currently. Just getting started, you guys. I think people get so caught up in seeing projects fly, and then looking at the price points of where a project was over a certain period of time, and they get caught up in where prices are and where they could go, and why aren't they going to a certain price point yet. Still very, very early, guys. Very early. Crazy run up. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.